talk here about the events. So where are the places or how the program start? Where it starts? Usually in the console, as we know, or in Java, it should start with man. There is a method called man. That's where the program start. When we click on the start, it will go to the man. What is the man here in this Visual Studio? If we look at the Explorer, Solution Explorer, we see all the files. One of the files called programs. If we double click on the programs, we will see this is the programs, which is, as you see, it has namespace. Namespace is the folder where everything going there. So our application was called up to. This is the namespace. But all the programs in the Visual Studio has a class called program. And in the program, there is a method called man. And this is where the program starts. Immediately, when you click on start, it will come to here. Regardless of anything, it comes to here. So what's going on here? It is calling form 1. What is form 1? This is form 1 here. So it will call form 1, which is, this is form 1. But inside form 1, where it starts? When the program starts from the main call form. And the form, there is a method in the form where we find it. If you go inside the form itself and double click anywhere in the form, you will come to a method called form load. This is form load. Immediately after the program starts, in the main, call the form and comes to this place, which is form 1, form1.load. If I put here, for instance, inbox and say the form has been started. Okay, and then if I run it, we will see immediately it will go to the form has been started in the start form, and now the form will appear. See? So this trigger or this event is very important here. Now the program waiting for you to click whatever, click here or whatever. It will what's called event driven. So it depends on what event you do, and then it would be driven by that event. So this is very important place to know. You can of course, if we have another form, we create another form. Just quickly, you go to here, right click, and you go to add, and we add here new form. If it is form here, yeah, Windows form, it appear like form 2. So if I want my program, okay, this is you can give it a name, but keep it form 2 now. Add. So we have now form 2 appear here. But when you run it, it will go to form 1, because form 1 exists in the program main here. But if you change this to 2, it will start with the program with form 2. See now form 2 appear here, because that's, and that message was saying the form started not appear, because why? That is the load of form 1, but this is form 2 loaded, then it will not go to that one. Got it? So these are very important places. Let us put it back into 1.